I still remember a night when I was small enough to sit cross-legged on the porch steps, an apple in my hands. I took a bite, juice on my wrist, and my parent lifted a finger toward the sky, toward the faint smear we call the Milky Way. It felt impossible that the same universe could hold both things at once. The crisp snap of fruit and a river of stars. So here's the question I couldn't shake then, and I can't shake now. Are these two worlds, apple and galaxy, separate accidents stitched together by chance, or are they pages from the same rulebook, repeating at every scale? In the 1,990 seconds, scientists aimed Hubble at a patch of darkness that looked empty. After days of staring, it came back crowded thousands of galaxies, hiding where our eyes saw nothing. And years earlier, Voyager 1 turned around and photographed Earth from billions of kilometers away. A single pale dot suspended in black. Those images don't just make us feel small. They whisper something stranger. The universe isn't merely big, it's structured. What if its vastness isn't randomness, but repetition? What if simple rules, symmetry and its tiny breaks, patterns that amplify and branch, keep reappearing, whether you zoom down toward the smallest scales or out toward the largest? Stay with me. By the end, we'll connect the patterns inside everyday life to the patterns in deep space, and you'll see why an apple and a galaxy might follow the same basic rules. Most of us meet the universe for the first time as an emotion, not an equation. A kind of vertigo. Numbers so large they stop meaning anything. Distances so vast they collapse into a single word: far. When people hear that the cosmos has been unfolding for around 13.8 billion years, that there may be hundreds of billions of galaxies, the picture that often forms is simple and brutal. A kind of enormous firework, a blast in the dark, everything flying apart. Pieces of matter bumping around until, by a streak of blind luck, a few of them happen to cool into stars, planets, and one small world where someone is watching this video on a tired screen. From that angle, the universe feels like a mess that briefly organized itself into weather, cities, memories, and will eventually fall back into cold, empty disorder. It feels chaotic in the deepest sense. No plan, no pattern, no structure beyond what our minds wish onto it. But when you listen carefully to what the universe has actually shown us, the story is quieter, stranger, and more disciplined. In the mid-1960s, two radio engineers were not looking for the